again. Currently, it is in a very bearish zone, I'll say, but anytime this project can close. There it is. We'll just go for the short time from here. Let's see. Well, I guess I'll just connect my. Oh, good. Now it's not gonna come again and again. So yeah, basically, I was trying to show with the short term. You can see it's actually is very perfect. So yeah, we can break through this position maybe if you want or go to the support or even break even more. So this is not, yeah, this is actually good one, not the very best one. I can say there is a very big support zone around this position too, so who knows, maybe 0.1 or maybe 0.7. Then let's see who wins, bulls or the bears. We are holding and trying for the bull run to start. Everything dipped hard, so it's the best time buy in because the good projects are very undervalued. Then there is the project sand per city. And per city here, which is I suppose from sandbox game. So you can also charts and chords, trade ideas, sandbox, sand token. It is. You can say yeah, I was right. It's from sandbox. The sandbox is a sand token. Side is equally token. It's throughout the sandbox ecosystem as the basis for transaction and interaction. It is an ERC20 utility token built on Ethereum blockchain. There is a finite supply of this much sand. It looks good. Sand is available on this much markets, and you can see there is Binance at the top, which is pretty good. There are also some other popular things too, like was Rex, Uniswap, UOB, Upbeat. I have used UOB and KuCoin. I also use that too. Binance is recently what I use the most. Yeah, that's the one I have currently the funds on. So you can see asking over so that Sandbox is a virtual metaverse built on the Ethereum blockchain where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experience. That's nice. Tickets, you can read more about this project if you want to invest a huge money. I'll suggest before just go through everything, like look at this news. They had news about him. You can see areas, you can see markets, send thither. So there are some people giving their opinion, and they're the one long, everyone longing, and suddenly this guy comes and say, "No, dude, shot." So yeah, put a shot right there.